But this moment right now requires all of us to do more and be better. And listen, I know you're tired. I'm tired. I got this news. I was driving up back to the Bronx from DC today, hit crazy traffic. It's been an insane week. It's been an insane year. 2020, what's going on? I got bags under my eyes. I know you have bags under your eyes. We're all tired. But that's how authoritarianism works. This is how authoritarianism works, to wear you down until you give in. And right now, what we need to do is never give in. That's our number one job right now, is to not give in and is to not give up. So, what can you do? Vote, register to vote, organize, get involved in organizing and supporting organizers in your community. But here's the thing that I also believe. I believe that every single human being has something to give. Every single human being has something to offer. And so you know what you have to give. Maybe if you're blessed, you've got money in your pocket. Maybe you've got that to give. Maybe you don't have money in your pocket because COVID has just completely wrecked the country. You have talents, you have time, you have relationships. So let's talk about relationships, because there is someone, I guarantee you, there is someone in your life that only you can get through to. I guarantee it. You know, there is someone in your life that you have a very special relationship with. I guarantee it. You can get through to them in a way that maybe nobody else can. I need you to use your relationships. That's what we need you to do right now. Maybe you've got an uncle in Ohio. Maybe you've got family in Florida. Maybe you've got people that you know in Colorado or in a swing state or even not a swing, or in Georgia or whomever. And the beautiful thing about politics is that a lot of it is relational. And we don't take it personally, but you know, I could make a point, and just because I'm me, there are people that will not listen to it just because I'm the one who said it, right? It's not the point. It's the fact that I said that point, right? There's someone in your life that maybe they won't listen to anybody else, but you can get through to them. I need you to use your relationships to get through and check in on people and making sure that they're stepping up and that they're doing the right thing and that they're not staying home on election night and that they're not giving their vote to Donald Trump.